3D box animation in After Effects. This is our box design. You can make a design in Photoshop, Illustrator, CorelDRAW, or any another software. I created in Illustrator. This is front and back flap side of box. This is right and this is left. Upper flapper is also designed. We will cut and paste them in new file one by one and will save in AI format. We will make separate AI files for each part of box. Now we will open Adobe After Effects. Make a new project and import file named Background. Now we will import front design file of box and we'll drag into project tray or timeline. We will convert into pre-composition by name of front box. In next step, we will import upper flapper of box and will its pre-comp also. Now we will set its anchor point and position. You can click on 3D box also. It will be helpful in adjustment of box flap. will make a duplicate layer of front side of box, and will adjust it on back side of box. And similarly, we will make a duplicate of upper flap, and will connect it on bottom of box. Our 3D box is almost done now. In last, most important thing is that we need a center point to move the box. It's may call anchor point, or center point, or axle point. This way, you can make a 3D box and can move in any direction. I hope you will understand my tutorial. Keep in touch with me for more useful tips and tricks. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon also. Thank you for watching.